have just entered the English Cipher.
Softly. You are very quiet tonight, Maya. The rain is falling, the fire is warm, but your mind is somewhere very far away, whispering.
I am sorry, Elias. I was just listening to the rain. It makes the city feel so isolated. But sitting here with you, I feel incredibly safe.
Warm. You are always safe here. Welcome back, everyone, to the English Cipher. I am Elias. Tender.
And I am Maya. Welcome back, our beautiful friends. Tonight, we are turning down the bright lights. We are going to have a very honest, very intimate conversation.
Intimate. Yes. Tonight, we are talking about vulnerability. We are talking about what happens when you simply do not have the answers.
Reflective. Because in life and in language, people expect us to know everything. But one of the very first phrases every English student learns is, I don't know.
Honestly, it feels cold. It feels like a door slamming shut in my face. It leaves me standing alone in the dark. Exactly. It sounds distant. It sounds like you do not care about the other person. Communication is about connection, and I don't know breaks that connection.
But hopeful English has so many beautiful, soft, empathetic ways to say that you do not have the answer while still holding the other person's hand.
And that is exactly what we are going to teach our listeners tonight. The cinematic, natural ways to handle the unknown. Where should we start?
Let's start with a small, quiet story from my morning today. It is a perfect example of keeping your heart open to strangers.
I love your stories, Maya. Please, tell me everything.
Well, it was raining this morning. I walked to the small bakery near my apartment to get a warm chocolate croissant. I was standing in line just watching the raindrops on the window.
Oh, a warm croissant on a rainy morning is pure poetry. What happened next?
A tourist walked into the bakery. He was soaking wet. He held a physical paper map in his hands, and his eyes looked so lost and anxious. You could feel his panic.
Walking into a foreign city is a very terrifying feeling. Did he ask for help?
He did. He walked up to the young lady working at the bakery counter and asked, "Excuse me, is the central train station near here?"
The central station. That is very tricky because it is quite far from your neighborhood. Did the young lady know the way?
No, she didn't. She had just moved to the city herself. But Elias, she didn't just look at him and say, "I don't know." She didn't build a wall.
What did she say instead?
She smiled at him with so much warmth and said, "I'm not really sure, but let me check my phone map for you."
I'm not really sure. That is incredibly beautiful.
It is. By adding the words "really sure," she softened the blow. She showed him that she wanted to help him, even if she did not possess the answer in her mind. I watched the tourist's shoulders drop. His panic disappeared instantly.
That is the magic of empathy. I'm not really sure is the absolute perfect phrase to use with strangers, in shops, or in any polite situation. It says, I am a safe person to talk to.
Exactly. Now, what about the workplace, Elias? When the pressure is high and someone expects you to be perfect.
That is a very different kind of stress. Actually, something very similar happened to me at the agency office last Tuesday.
Really? What happened?
I was sitting at my desk, deep in focus, working on a very complex report. Suddenly, my boss, Mr. Davis, opened the door. He looked incredibly stressed.
Oh no, an anxious boss is a storm warning. What was he looking for?
He looked right at me with panic in his eyes and asked, "Elias, do you know where the yellow marketing folders are? The board meeting starts in 5 minutes."
The yellow folders! Those are the most important documents. Did you know where they were?
I had absolutely no idea, Maya. Someone else had moved them the night before. My mind was completely blank.
That is terrifying. If you just say, "I don't know," to a panicked boss, it makes you look lazy and defeated. What did you do?
I stood up slowly. I made direct, calm eye contact with him, and I used a professional variation of your phrase. I said, "I'm not quite sure, Mr. Davis. Let me ask Sarah from the marketing team for you right now."
I'm not quite sure. Elias, that is brilliant.
Yes, "I'm not quite sure" is the ultimate professional shield. It protects your reputation. It tells the boss, "I do not have the data at this exact second, but I am already taking action to fix your problem."
Did it calm him down?
Instantly, he took a deep breath, said, "Thank you, Elias," and waited calmly. It saved the entire morning. It kept the communication bridge open.
You are always so steady in a storm, Elias. You are a rock for the people around you.
I try to be, Maya, especially for the people I care about.
Well, we have 2 beautiful, polite phrases now. I'm not really sure, and I'm not quite sure. But what about when we are totally relaxed? When we are just sitting on the sofa with our best friends?
For casual, intimate moments, the English language has some very fun phrases. My absolute favorite is, "I have no idea."
I have no idea. I hear that in romantic movies all the time. It is incredibly common.
Yes. It is used when your mind is completely empty regarding the topic. But because you are with someone you trust, you do not have to hide it. You can just surrender to the unknown.
Give me an example. How would we use it right now?
Imagine we are sitting here by the fire, and you look at me and ask, "Elias, what time does the rain finally stop tonight?"
And how would you answer?
I would look at you, shrug my shoulders, and say, "I have no idea, Maya. But as long as you are sitting here with me, I hope it rains all night."
Oh, Elias, that is so smooth.
It is just an educational example, Detective.
Of course. Strictly educational. But yes, I have no idea sounds so totally natural and relaxed. It removes all the pressure.
If our listeners are enjoying this deep, peaceful conversation tonight, they should probably do something right now, shouldn't they?
Yes. If you are sitting in the quiet with us and you are feeling this connection, please gently tap the like button on this video.
And please subscribe to the English Cipher. Join our family. We want to teach you the language of the human heart every single week.
And if you want to support us, leave a comment below. It helps our safe house grow and reach more beautiful souls around the world.
Okay, let's look at another highly conversational phrase. Maya, are you ready for this one?
I am ready. What is it?
I have no clue.
Wait, I have no glue? Like the sticky white liquid we used to put paper together in primary school?
No, my dear Maya. Not glue with a G, clue with a C. C-L-U-E. Clue.
Oh my goodness, I am so embarrassed. I thought, why does Elias need glue for a vocabulary lesson? Are we doing an art project tonight?
No art projects tonight. A clue is a piece of hidden information. It is a hint that helps a detective solve a mystery.
Like Sherlock Holmes looking for footprints in the mud with a magnifying glass? Those are clues.
Exactly. So when you say, I have no clue, you are admitting that you do not even have a tiny hint. You are completely in the dark.
I have no clue. I actually love the vulnerability of that phrase. It takes real courage to admit that you are completely lost.
It does. I actually had to use that exact phrase with a stranger last weekend.
Tell me, what happened?
I was walking in the city park. The sun was setting, and I was just enjoying the fresh air. Suddenly, a man walked up to me. He was holding a very strange, complex electronic device. It looked like a black box covered in buttons.
A mystery box in the park. What did he want?
He looked at me with total desperation and asked, "Excuse me, sir, do you know how to reset the battery cycle on this specific frequency model?"
What a bizarre, highly technical question to ask a random man in the park. Did you know the answer?
Maya, I had never seen that machine in my entire life. So I just smiled warmly, shrugged my shoulders, and said, "I am so sorry, my friend. I have absolutely no clue about electronics."
That was the perfect response. It was honest, polite, and completely removed the awkwardness.
Yes. He laughed, said no problem at all, and walked away. It was a very pleasant, easy human interaction.
See? You do not ever need to feel guilty when you don't know something. Using these phrases keeps the energy light and friendly.
Exactly. It takes away the heavy, impossible pressure of needing to know everything in the world.
Okay, I have one final phrase for us tonight. This one is highly informal. You only use this with people you love deeply or people you are very, very comfortable with.
I am intrigued. What is the final phrase?
The phrase is, beats me.
Wait, beats me? Like physical violence? Like hitting someone in a street fight?
No, Elias, please don't look so terrified. Nobody is hitting anyone in the safe house tonight.
Oh, thank goodness. For a second, I thought the English language was incredibly aggressive when people lacked information.
No, it is just a very old classic idiom. Think of it like a game of chess. If the puzzle is too difficult, it defeats your brain. The question wins and your brain loses. So the question beats you.
This question has defeated my mind. I really like the psychology of that. Beats me. Let me practice the rhythm. Beats me.
Perfect delivery. Just remember the golden rule. It is extremely casual. You never use this in a professional environment.
So, if Mr. Davis looks at me tomorrow and asks for the monthly financial breakdown, I should definitely not shrug and say, "Beats me, boss."
Absolutely not. If you say that to a CEO, he will think you do not care about your career at all.
I will save it for our quiet nights by the fire then. If you ask me why the stars shine so brightly tonight, I will just say, "Beats me, Maya. It's just magic."
You always know exactly what to say, Elias, even when you are pretending not to know.
I just pay attention to the things that matter.
Well, everyone listening at home, if you have stayed with us in the quiet until this very moment, we have a secret mission for you.
Yes. Please go down to the comments section right now and type the secret phrase, "No clue."
Yes! Type no clue. It is our secret handshake. It shows us that you are part of our dedicated, beautiful community who watches until the very end.
We love reading those secret comments. It connects us to you, no matter what country you are sleeping in tonight.
You know, Elias, reviewing these phrases makes me realize something beautiful about the English language.
What is that, Maya?
Language is not just about rigid grammar rules. It is about emotional intelligence.
When you have options, like being polite, professional, or casual, you take control of how people feel around you.
That is the ultimate truth.
You're not just communicating facts, you are communicating care. And that builds unbreakable confidence.
I am going to use at least one of these phrases tomorrow. I promise.
That is the only way to truly learn. Do not just listen to our voices. Take these words out into the real world tomorrow morning.
Elias, look at the clock on the mantelpiece. The fire is burning low. Our time is running out for tonight.
You're right. Time is a thief when you're having a beautiful conversation. Shall we do a quick, gentle recap before we say goodnight?
Yes, let's keep it fresh in their minds.
We started with your beautiful bakery story, helping a stranger in the rain by using the soft, polite phrase, "I'm not really sure."
Then, you taught us how to survive a panicked boss in the office by using the professional shield. I'm not quite sure.
We moved to the intimate, safe phrase for friends. I have no idea.
Then we had my embarrassing misunderstanding about sticky glue, and we learned the detective's phrase. I have no clue.
And finally, the playful surrender for casual moments beats me.
You remembered the entire journey perfectly, Elias.
I had a very good partner. Now, before we close our eyes tonight, I have one tiny, powerful bonus tip for our listeners.
Ooh, a bonus tip. What is the secret, Elias?
When you learn new emotional phrases like these, write them down on a small sticky note. Put that note on your bathroom mirror or your refrigerator door.
Because when you see those words every single morning while you brush your teeth, your brain absorbs them effortlessly.
Exactly. It removes the pain of studying. Your environment teaches you automatically.
That is a brilliant, gentle trick. Please try it tomorrow, everyone.
Well, my beautiful friends, that is all the magic we have for tonight. Thank you so deeply for sitting by the fire with us.
Yes. Thank you for your time, your energy, and your dedication. We hope you feel as calm and confident as we do.
Please do not forget to subscribe to the English Cipher. Give this video a gentle like and share it with someone you care about.
And don't forget to type "no clue" in the comments. We will be reading them in the morning.
Have a wonderful, peaceful week. Stay safe, stay confident, and we will see you in the next episode.
Good night, everyone. Sweet dreams.
Case closed.
Great job, everyone! See you next time on The English Cipher. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.